Alright, so I'm going to sign into my Experian account, and like I promised you guys in the other video, I'm going to show you guys my credit score. I have nothing to hide and I want to be fully transparent, so let's not waste any time. Time is money. Here we go. Cancel, I don't want a passkey. Alright, moment of truth, guys. Alright, there it is. That is my credit score. That is my credit score from Experian. You guys can see right here, this is my credit score from Equifax, and this is my credit score from TransUnion. And I just want to say something real quick is that I'm not sure how experienced you guys are with the credit world, but this is something that a lot of people don't teach, is that every credit bureau is their own company and it has nothing to do with each other. I always tell people, or what I used to tell my clients is, think of the credit bureaus like McDonald's, In-N-Out, and Jack in the Box. They all sell burgers, they all sell fries, but they're all individual companies and they don't talk, nothing like that. So whatever's on your credit report from one, it's not because, oh, they grabbed it from Experian and they're talking to their buddies. Like, no, it's just the data that reports to them, is that it's the information that they're going to report on your credit report. So I hope that makes sense and I'm able to simplify it, but I just wanted to put that out there. So you guys can see my credit score is 530, and I'm going to explain to you guys my game plan. So this is I created a little tablet. Let me see. This is my game plan. Yeah. So this is my game plan, guys. Like I created this on Canva. If you guys are interested, it's kind of like an editing software that I use called like this, Canvas, and you're able to make PDFs. Anyways, that's not why you're here to watch this video. So let me oh, where's my PDF? Here we go. Now let me make this small. So here's my game plan, guys. Laying it out there completely, like, again, not hiding anything. Not worried. Again, I know how to fight this and I will. I'm actually going to take a different approach. So first things first, I know many of you guys know this, but just in case somebody that's completely new has no idea what I'm talking about, I'm just going to go through the steps. If you already know, just forward this video until you find something that is useful for you. First thing first, I'm going to pull my credit reports. I'm going to list all the bad accounts, okay? And because, again, why do I need to do that? Because I need to know what needs to be fixing. I need to find mistakes and violations. If you guys don't know how to find mistakes or violations on your credit report, I have several videos on my YouTube channel. There might be maybe like 3, 4, 2 years old, but it still works. The same principle applies. The law has not changed. The law has remained the same. So whatever I taught in those videos can still apply if you don't want to wait for my future video. So I'm going to break down and show you guys the exact violations on my credit report. That's not going to be on this video. It's going to be on another one. But if you don't want to wait for me to make that video, definitely go check that one out. So I'm going to find the mistakes and violations, and that's going to be what I'm going to be able to use to fix my credit. And then once I make a list, I'm going to create the dispute letters. And again, I don't use ChatGPT. I don't use templates or generic. It's all custom to like how I'm going to dispute it. And it works. And not to toot my own horn, but it works. My game plan is I'm going to stop using my credit cards because that's one of the main reasons why I have bad credit. I don't know if many of you guys, I don't think many of you guys know because I don't update my YouTube channel like I do my Instagram, my TikTok, but I got accepted into a nursing program and I'm paying that out of pocket every month. My tuition is $3,000. My whole school is about $80,000, and I had to stop working. I work for a very reputable healthcare company. I don't know if I can publicly say that, but I mean the name of the company. So I'm just gonna say I work for a very popular hospital and pays me well. But I had to work part-time, so I started using up my credit cards again. I know, like, I'm okay with it because I know and I understand that if I use my credit card, that means my credit score is going to increase because now I'm leaving a balance month after month, and FICO algorithm does not like that. That's okay, but that's one of the main reasons why my credit score is bad. I do have some late payments, and I believe I saw one collection account, which I'm going to show you guys. And again, I'm going to show you guys everything. I'm not holding back at all. So I'm going to make a list, and I'm going to stop using my credit card, step number 5. But again, all my credit cards are maxed out because I'm paying my nursing school out of pocket. So technically, I don't really need to stop paying my credit cards. They're going to decline anyway, so whatever. I will send goodwill letters, and I'm going to teach you guys how to write them for them not to be so generic. And honestly, if you just give it 1 to 2 minutes and make it not generic and make it tailored to your situation, they freaking work. A lot of people think they don't, but trust me, they do. I've done it. Like I still do it to this day. Friends and family, like, you know. Anyways, set up auto pay. I'm not gonna do that. And I'm gonna check. I messed up on this one. I put weekly, but I'm gonna check my credit score, my credit, pull my credit report monthly after I send out the after I send my disputes. And I'm gonna show you guys the timeline of what they how to track it, because a lot of people get confused when it comes to this step. Now, that is my game plan. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna pull my credit report. So, if you go right here and you go here, credit reports. See, that's my name, Mitchell Michael Alvarez, as of December 12th. Today is going to be December 12th. Hopefully, I'm able to upload this video on December 13th. And, yeah, it's going to list, see, my credit cards are completely maxed out. 6,200, 16,000 on my Discover. So we're going to go down. See, that's my mortgage. That was a late payment. That was on me. I had to choose between making my tuition payment and paying my mortgage, and I ended up making it late, but whatever. That's when the goodwill letter is going to come, and I'm going to show you guys. Let's see if I have any collection accounts. Actually, no. I thought I did from Spectrum, because I got into an argument with them and they pissed me off, and I canceled my internet, and I guess they were charging me something. But I had fixed that, but I thought maybe it was still here. Might be on the other credit bureaus. We don't know. So yeah, we're going to dispute late payments on my credit report. And I have no collections, but I know I have a negative closed account. I can't find it, and I don't want to make this video super long. I want to make them very categorized videos for different videos, if that makes sense. But this video is just to show you guys, you know, log into my own Experian account. Like, no, again, why would anybody lie about having a bad credit? I don't know, but I just wanted to, you know, log in and show you guys. Thinking about it, like, who would lie, or who would even come up forward and say they have bad credit? But you know, nowadays I've come up with a lot of scammers. A lot of people that I taught on the internet how to fix credit, unfortunately, have been scamming people, not because the method doesn't work, but because people trusted them and gave them money and they don't do anything for them, or they just use unethical and weird tactics and they don't even try, they don't even care. But anyway, sorry, I digress. So we're going to dispute a late payment on my Experian account. And I'm also going to dispute a negative closed account. And let me see what else. Nothing I can do about the high credit card utilization, but I do have a game plan. And I'm going to explain that in another video. Again, I don't want to put so much information and different topics in one video. This video is just show you guys my 30-day game plan, what my credit score is as of today. That way you have a baseline and can track it. And so you know that when I start posting videos, and 3 months from now, 6 months from now, and you see, oh man, I went up 50 points, but let's say my credit score is now 550. That 550 doesn't sound attractive, but from 502 to 552, that's a 50-point increase. That's a big win for me. And again, I'm going to teach you guys, and hopefully you guys are able to be coachable and understand that it's not your credit score is not what matters. It's your credit portfolio, and that's something that I've been teaching for over 10 years. So yeah, my next video is going to be about finding the mistakes and the violations on the credit report, so I can use that as leverage to get that account either reversed to positive or to be deleted off my credit report. So that's going to be my next video. Again, if you don't want to wait for that, follow another YouTuber that you like, another YouTube that you might like, or just look at my old videos for free. That knowledge, the information is invaluable, and I promise you that I know they might be long, but they're filled with gold nuggets. So if you watch to the end of this video, I wanted to show you guys that I created a school. I wanted to create a community for like-minded individuals who need help, who want to start fixing their credit in 2026, who want a better life, who need guidance, who want to learn how to do it themselves, or just want to get information, or you kind of just want to be in a room with like-minded individuals or positive people and encouraging, and you know, to not do this alone, because I know doing it alone can be very scary, but when you have other people showing their success, it's going to motivate you, or just a community where you feel safe. I created this community for, you know, if it's only one person, you guys have access to me. It's kind of like a one-to-one mentorship, but the goal is to, for many people, you know, I want to build a community of 10, maybe 20, 25 people. The first 10 people to sign up are going to be free, and then I'm going to make it a $5 monthly subscription, because that's just how it is. Like, there's nothing I can do about that. But for the first 10 people, I want to make it free, and then after that, it's going to be $5. I don't think that's halal to have access to me, to the information. I am going to upload this PDF into this school course so you guys can have access and see, so you guys can have, so you guys don't have to take a screenshot, or if you want a PDF and print it out. Everything that I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into the school. Whatever dispute I sent, you're going to see it on my, like, on my feed. I'm going to be updating continuously. And then if I have any top secret videos that I don't feel comfortable, or they're too good to be posted on YouTube, I'm going to post it here in my classroom, like a course. You're gonna have access to it for free. Just, again, if you're number 11 and you sign up, it's gonna only be $5 a month. But thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, drop it down in the comments. Please feel free to subscribe to my community and ask me all the questions. I'm definitely going to be engaged. You're definitely be able to, you know, get I don't want to say free coaching, because, like, I don't know if it'll blow up and I can't answer to like 5,000 people at once. But as of right now, watching this video, free coaching, free access to me, like, I think that's completely invaluable. But again, that's biased opinion based on me. But I'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to show the mistakes, and how I'm going to be spotting the violations, and how I'm going to be making the letters. That video is probably going to be a little bit longer than this one, but I'm going to try to keep them short and sweet. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If this is something you like, feel free to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.